Hey everyone, this is Puri. Welcome to Pyurologie. Today I'm going to be doing a little something different. I just picked up a new toy. It's not this one. And I'm going to reveal it today. So this is my new ride. It's a 2019 Audi S5 Prestige Edition in Florett silver metallic. It's pretty much fully optioned out. I just picked it up a few weeks ago. At my buddy's house here, Kyle. Say what up. That's his Type R, freaking hooked up like crazy in the garage here. And we're gonna be doing some car videos going forward. But just wanted to introduce my new ride. We just got it fully washed. Shit's shiny as hell. It's good. Yeah, so this is it. My new car, well, new to me, 2019. Yeah, and I'll be doing a few mods to it, and we'll probably be doing some videos on his Type R and some other stuff we're doing too. So yeah, there it is. Enjoy. So like I said earlier, I've got some mods planned for this thing. I have an InGen air tank ready to be installed. I'm going to be putting a tune on it that should put it close to RS5 territory in terms of speed. And then I'll be wrapping some of the chrome bits on the body to match the wheels. Throw some tints on it and then probably call it a day. I'm not going to be doing much after that. No exhaust or anything like that. The stock exhaust sounds really nice actually. Here's Kyle enjoying himself a little bit too much. But I mean, who wouldn't enjoy washing this car, right? Anyways, more Pyurologie Motors videos to come. Gonna be starting some new series, and hopefully you guys enjoy the content. Thanks.